Forms of business organizations. A business enterprise is an organization which is engaged in some business or commercial activity. The main motive of business is to earn profit, and the activity should be done on a regular basis. It should not be a one-time activity. Classification of business enterprise. Business enterprises can be classified into three types: private sector enterprise, public sector enterprise, and joint sector enterprise. Private sector enterprises are those enterprises which are owned, controlled, and managed by private individuals. Some of the examples of private sector enterprises in India are Reliance India Limited, Tata Company, Birla Company, Wipro. Public sector enterprise. The enterprises which are owned, controlled, and managed by the central government or the state government are called public sector enterprises. Some examples of public sector enterprises are Steel Authority India Limited, Gas Authority India Limited, and Life Insurance Corporation. Joint sector enterprise. Joint sector enterprises are usually owned, controlled, and managed by private entrepreneurs and government. Some of the examples are Maruti Udyog Limited. Maruti Udyog Limited is jointly owned by the Government of India and a Japanese company. Another example is Cochin Refineries. Private sector enterprises can be further classified into 5 types. First one is sole proprietorship. It is type of business enterprise which is owned, controlled, and managed by a single individual. Joint Hindu family business is run by undivided Hindu family. Partnership exists between two or more individuals who carry out business and agree to share profit and losses of the business in certain ratio. Cooperative society is a type of business where few individuals come together to fulfill the common interest of the members. A company is an artificial person having perpetual succession and a common seal.